All right. Good morning, everybody. Um, we just got CPI and core CPI. I think CPI was right as expected. Nothing really changed, and then core CPI was 0.1% higher than expected. Um, so I'm expecting this to honestly just complete a market maker model to the downside that I was looking at. This becoming our manipulation move, unless we manipulate above. Honestly, if we get higher, get an SMT, that would be even better. So, but at this point, this is where we're at. Um, let's see. There's our calendar there. Oh, I gotta move this. Move this over. Is that no? That's not it. Boom, right there. There's our calendar, so you can see that. You can see those numbers there. 10:30 a.m. is important if you're trading crude oil, so just keep an eye on that. But tomorrow we've got some more news, heavy news, which will be really interesting to see. Um, I'll talk to you guys as to what I'm looking at and what I'm expecting price to do, which honestly yesterday, um, yeah, I'll talk about it in just a second. But anyways, here it is. Let's take a look real quick. We've got, honestly, the market's just kind of, I mean, it's whatever. S&P has been just grinding higher. Over instead of those who mourn, for they will be comforted. That is our verse of the day. Screenshot it, keep it on your phone, do whatever you want with it. All right, back to it. Um, all right, this is where we're at now. This is where we're at now. We've got, let's take a look at our opening gaps real quick. We've got um got an opening gap here that we traded. So we traded above, traded back into it, right? I think right here we had what do we have here? We had this manipulation move. What did we trade into? I think there was like inverted FVG or something. What was it? I don't know. Oh, I think this is it right here. I think this is the one I was looking at. Or an inverted. Let's see, there's nothing there for me. Nothing there. Okay, whatever. Where did we trade into? What is this? Why did we go there? That's my question. Um, okay, so I was looking. I've been sort of doing not really. Okay, I'm not even gonna call this I don't even know. No, never mind. So it looks like this was. I think this was a May 22 opening gap here. let's see, May 22nd. Let's look at it for a minute. So we have May 22nd here. We had our open and then open right here. I think this is where we're trading. Yeah, we're trading inside of that May 22nd gap. Honestly, that May 22nd gap has been a big deal, because we also have the closing, the closing of a gap and the beginning of a gap here. So May 22nd was a big one, and that's what we're trading into right now, right? We're also in a daily fair value gap here, inverted fair value gap. We're also, I think, above a daily that we just, like, literally just rejected with that CPI. Volume imbalance here, right? Traded into that volume imbalance. Maybe we tap into some of these imbalances here before going lower. I don't know. Let's see. What's my bias for today? Take a look. Let's take a look here. What is my bias for today? Let's see. Okay, this is something that I would definitely consider. We have a triple sort of 1, 2, 3, 4 fair value gaps on a 7-day running chart. So it's almost like a weekly, but not really. So we go to the weekly, and we get this, right? So this is sort of a our 7-day. So every 7 days, create a new one, new candle. And this gives me a really nice, yeah, sort of a quadruple fair value gap overlap. So maybe this is something I'll watch. Maybe we even into this volume imbalance, but I want to include that here. All right, hold on, guys. I gotta deal with something real quick. All right. Tuesday opening gap. Boom. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna wait for an SMT. Or if we take these highs. All right, we take those highs, we'll have an SMT to go lower. And that's happening again inside of well, outside, but around the that May 22nd opening gap, which is clearly a place that price is reacting. Yeah. So yeah, maybe we do come up, right? Take this, create an SMT. Even if we took this and created this SMT, that would be awesome. Yeah, this sort of triple BPR that we saw on the running 7 day. Look at how it's been just traded into multiple times, right? So something I definitely want to keep an eye on. Yeah, this 7 day BPR. Boom, 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 boom. And the thing is, it's like precise enough too, where we can look at it and try to trade. But at that point, if it's gonna come up here, then I expect it to come into sort of maybe this fair value gap here, right in here, right into this daily, and maybe even into some sort of breaker in here, right? But we'll see. We'll see. Here we go. We're gonna get a nice SMT here. Of what? What's the deal? Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, I think if we break this, then that would be fine. I don't think yeah. This is an SMT I'd be like definitely watching. Where's my 150? Yeah. Like if this is gonna break, better just do it. Huh? Hold on, guys. I got him. I got 1 second. Oh, dang it. Okay. I definitely did not. I was in the middle of something and I got I got caught up. So, well, potato potato, we have an SMT, guys. We have an SMT. Where what is go let's take a look here. Okay. I like this. I do still like this. And this is something that I'm like, man, I should have. Oh no. Put my stuff higher. Stop that. Stop. Just get me I think I'm just like, yeah, today I'm just gonna be, I've got so many things to do, so we'll be done early today. I'm just um yeah, I need to go running. Need to I need to do a lot of things, so today's gonna be a good day. I think I think it might rain today, but it'll be a good day. Okay, now what do we want to do? What is going on here? Are we going for these bad boys right here? Is where we're going? Is that where we want to go? Guys, honestly, like just let's if we take those, then that would be awesome, right? So we got your yeah, I like this. I think now if we can get this swept, right? So we've got SMT here. What about ES? SMT there. All right, this is looking good. Let's get rid of that. So here we got an SMT. Boom. Or sorry, boom right here. But I'm just gonna mark this because we haven't taken that on ES. All right, we have yeah, daily opening there. No weekly. Okay, no weekly. I want to keep the weeklies. I feel like those are the ones I want to keep an eye on. And then there's a this these lines here, these two lines, this is an May 22nd opening gap, which has been extremely important. So just have that marked in. Okay, SMT. All right. Where are we? This is right here. So now we have um no, NQ has just taken this right here. NQ just took this bad boy. Boom. Right? ES is not. YM has not. I would take a stab at this here. We are inside of. I just need to be inside of some sort of fair value gap. Hold on. And at this point, like, okay, we have. We have anything here? Anything here? We have this. We have this. We have sort of BPR there, right? And we have what else do we have? If we invert this, do we have anything here? Um, nothing else here. Nothing else here. Nothing else. We have this. We have. No. Oh, here we go. I like this better. Let's take this off. I'll take this bad boy right here. We have that one, and we have this one here. So if we look, we have that one. Do we have anything else? No. If we invert, so here we have an overlap, right? Right here of that fair value gap. So inverted fair value gap. So we have this and an overlap there. Okay. Okay. Let's see, we've got 10 minutes till this candle closes. So we are at 9:07. It is 9:07. So does this mean 9:30? 9:30 takes this, right? Is that what we see? Is that what we're looking at? Are we taking this at 9:30, coming back up here, right? Creating a huge SMT between this. Now, if we do something like this, that would be sick, right? Boom. You know, just go back in price, right? That'd be sick. Psych. But you see, you know what I mean? Like, this drawing is clearly not, you get the point, right? We do something like this and we get an SMT here. That would be, you know, that would be awesome, because then we have SMT would be taking this high, which we, if we take or we don't take, right? Right here. This also takes us into and yeah, pretty important fair value gap, but that's not it. Yeah, this one. It's like you have this run here on liquidity. Like, do we want to come up here, right, and continue lower? I think this makes more sense here, to take all of these straight into something like in here, maybe tap into it. And then go lower. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's just waiting. Just waiting. Ooh. Okay. Sick. Yeah. Yeah, at this point, just, you know, chilling. 9/11. Oh, it's September 11th. 9/11. That was crazy. This is probably one of those days where, like, you clearly remember where you were, and if you don't, then you were really young. But You remember where you were when, that attack happened, and I was still really young. Like I was really young, and but I remember. I think I was like 7. It's just crazy. Okay, okay. Now what, guys? Now what? All right, so here's a I was talking to Chris. Are you in here? Are you watching? If you're watching, give me some Hamza. Give me some Hamza, bro. I was talking to Chris, my brother, about a sort of an idea that I had, right? And I'll tell you about it in just a second. I just want to make sure he's here, or if he isn't here. No, he's not here. Anyways, I'll talk about it. So the idea of using these so the idea of using bodies to not calculate, but to just give us an idea of where price was trading in, right? And giving us an idea of where price could sort of like a fair value gap, right? And these do overlap with fair value gaps, right? So you have this big fair value gap there, this one here, but it basically calculates it gives us where the bodies of the candles closed or opened, right? And if you have relative bodies that open and close at the same, like around the same area, right here, right? You have these two that open and close around the same area. You have these two, you have these two, you have these two. Then, um, you have these on the down, like down here. You have these two, you have these two, you have these two, right? So there's multiple. And looking at it where it's like, all right, we have candles that open and closed around the same area. Let me just let's go to that 4 hour, or yeah, 7 hour. So let's just say you have right here, right? So this is sort of a relative. So right here you have these two candles that are pretty close together in the way that they open and close, right? And then you have, what the heck is this? Hold on, guys. What is going on? Okay, anyways. Yeah, so you got these body, right? The uh, bodies of the candles. Honestly, I don't even know if I would use this one because I'm trying to get this. I would probably use something like this, right? Two highs, right? So I would expect the price to at least come up here, trade around this area. I don't know. This is something that obviously I'm still testing. But look, fair value gap, right? Are we trading in like it just this is where I found like it overlaps with a bunch of these PD arrays. But my goal is this gonna be a place where sort of a more precise way of looking at price with the probability of price moving into, right? So like let's just say you're like, man, I don't know this fair value up here, whatever. Maybe I don't know. I'm just still again working on this. trying to figure out, okay, is this something or not? And if it's not, then it's not, you know, whatever. Now, this was a higher time frame. Let's go to a lower time frame. I'm gonna put this right here. So we have this here. We have these two, right? And then we have these two, but we also have these. So I would use those. And you can see, so using the, right, these, and there, so I wouldn't use these up here and these, because that's a huge gap, right? I would use the most relative, the closest ones to each other. So we've got these two and these two, right? I could have used these two, and these two or these two, but they're pretty close together. So I would use, maybe I could use these, like the bottom of that, like the top of these two pairs for price to sort of try to dive into it, and we'll see. I'll leave this up, right? So this one's a higher time frame one right here. And then we have that intermediate time frame. This is a lower time frame one. So you I hope you get the point. Like, and I hope it makes sense. And if it doesn't make sense, I'll find out real quick. Right, so grab this here. This, right? This is also a BPR that's overlapping with these. Right, you can grab those, but these are sort of opposite. So one is, actually no, they're not. Like, and you see a cluster of them here, right? You got these two, you got these two, you got these two, you got these two. So like, even marking up that cluster of candles there, right? It overlaps with multiple time frames, right? So this is a higher time frame, and this is, you know, we go lower and lower. And so yeah, that's sort of something that I'm testing. Oh, here we go. Yes, yes, it's about to. Oh, okay, no. I got so excited, you guys. Frick. Okay, ES just took this, so we would not have SMT. Okay, no, we haven't taken it. Did we take it? No. I mean, technically, we tapped into it. We haven't taken it. Haven't taken it. So we'll see. We'll see. Here's sort of an inversion. Right, this is our first inversion. This would be our second inversion. All right, just waiting still. So ES just took this NQ. What's its face? YM has not. Yeah, YM has not taken this. Hmm. Oh, we don't have an SMT yet. Sorry, I was just marking this up so just in case we get an SMT, then that would be there. All right, this is interesting. So we've got an opening gap here. I'm just trying to look above price to see where we could go. This is yeah, um the 28th. I got so many things in my chart. I'll take them off. I'll clean it up, I promise. Okay. So some things I would be looking for in this area. All right. Yes, we have this breaker here. All right. So you could like we could consider this. But we also have yeah, this will make sense in just a second. Okay. So we have a new day opening gap, right? And we have our fair value gap here. See, this is technically this is an up candle. I still wanna I would consider this as a unicorn, right? Using that opening gap as the breaker. So new day opening gap into this, right? This could be we need to break this to go higher. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. 927 coming up. This is a BPR here. So we've got four fair value gaps that are this is the overlap of four fair value gaps in a 7-day. This is not a weekly. This is a 7-day. So every Monday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. So it's not necessarily 5 days, like a weekly time frame. This is a 7 day. BPR here, right? So we got fair value gap, fair value gap, fair value gap, fair value gap. This is so here's what's interesting. We got volume imbalance here, right? And then we have this. So yeah, there's and then on the 3 day, we have sort of this volume imbalance here too. So there's a bunch of things that we got to get through. We got to get through, right? So that's what we got, you guys. Today, I want to be done early. I don't want to do anything. I just want to be done early. I want to go hang out with family, you know? It's one of those days. It's like, I just want to hang out. I just want to hang out with family. That's all. And yeah. All right, 2 minutes till market open. Well, stock market futures is open. Let's get rid of some of these things. We'll keep this BPR. All right, 930 is taking us lower into this fair value gap. Let's take a look at it like this. Here we go. Boom, to the downside. Is a oh, okay. So break, this is sort of a little break here. This is that volume imbalance that we had at CPI. We just tapped into that daily opening gap in May 22nd, right? So look at how well that's been respected throughout. Like, yeah, this is a gap that I would definitely want to continue to keep an eye on. It's obviously it's been a while, but it's just been really just super strong. Like, look at this, right? Trades above, below, above, right? Can't break through, comes back down. Like, yeah. Uh, Okay, so we've got, okay, hmm. Oh, are we gonna break this? Volume looks like it's just about, yeah. Boom. YM has broken that. ES just retrace 50% of this move. All right, here's a BPR on ES. So BPR would be around there. Yeah, YM is just, maybe it'll go for this gap. Or sorry, this downward, this swing low. But we'll see. We'll see. I want to see something. I want to see something else, you know? So BPR on ES is holding. There, much cleaner. All right, BPR just got broken through. Can we close below this on ES? What are we going to do here? What are we going to do? Oh, wait. No, yeah. Guys, YM is just dropping. YM just took this low here. So now there's SMTs. Yeah, YM is like huge SMT. All right, here we go. Now they're all following. So here's a unicorn here. We've got a fair value gap, and then we have a breaker. So it's an overlap of a fair value gap and a breaker. Right, expecting that to hold. This, if this can take us higher. Nope, look at that, just done. Is this going to be our manipulation? Is this our manipulation to go lower? Or what? Look at that new day opening or new week opening gap. I like this. I do. I do like this. Are we wanting to make new? Well, technically ES already took that. But I don't know. Yeah, ES is looking like it's trying to. So we took this, right? Right. This would be our sort of manipulation move to the downside, taking us down here. I don't know. Yeah. Hmm. So here we have a big, like huge order block at this point. Yeah, we just chill, chill and wait. Smile and wave, boys. SMT here, bearish. Technically, ES took these lows and Q has not. Right here. So ES took the lows and Q did not. YM is looking to, go back into this new week opening gap. If we do this, we're creating a BPR here. BPR. Be nice. This is the if this is the wick of this candle. Shoot, okay. All right. I think we're trying to go lower for sure. I think we trade back. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where this is going. We have we have an SMT. Well, no, not yet, actually. We do have a hidden SMT here. From here to here. And then, yeah, I mean, we have an SMT on YM. Yeah, we're coming into this new week opening gap. I think this could take us higher in just a second, right? Before moving lower. So this could take us into this area right here. So that's it. Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave. It's a great movie. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Guys, let's see. Here's what I'm gonna do. You guys ready? Okay. This is stupid. Oh, what is this? What? Oh, you can project now? Let's go. Oh, no way. Okay, sick. See, this is cool. Just like figure out, okay, yeah, we can go here, we can go there, whatever, whatever. Potato. Question is, where do we want to go? All right, we're holding this unicorns like all right, I'm gonna take a stab at this here into honestly, I think even if it moves, yeah, I don't know. No, I don't know. Yeah, all right, I don't know. This is here we there it goes. This is one that like this, it needs to break under like yeah, this is not. Here's what we got another sort of here's per valley gap breaker. This is new opening gap. Like, can we retrace here? Like we could. You know what, you guys? Just about to just be done with this. Nope. Psych. Dang. All right. Now what? We get I just man, okay. This is interesting. This is interesting. I think I'll if it comes back up here, I want to see it trade back into this, all right? Doesn't have to, but or it'll break through. Right? If we can get a break underneath. Yeah. All right, let's give it a go here. We're gonna go for a short. We're gonna short this bad boy here. And if we're gonna go for something, it's gonna go for this. See, I don't like. Yeah. We can move right into this little fair value gap. I don't want to come up here. I'm looking for YM to break underneath at this point. So we have this sort of unicorn. If we can break below this new week opening gap on YM, that would be nice. Then at this point, I just need ES to break through all of this. All right, as soon as we get, I don't know, if we can get ES to just break this below, like right here, right? Then I would feel, then we could, like, I want to see this place down, break this, or take this, trade back before coming back. It doesn't have to, but is this still an SMT? This is still a, no, it's not. This is not an SMT anymore. At least, no. No, it is not. Let me get rid of that because this is gonna mess me up. All right, this is our macro right here, baby. Let's go. It like take me out of here now, or like just drop, bro. One of the two, because this sucks. Listen, if you're in the macro and you're not moving, all right, I need YM to just drop. Like YM just needs to go. All right, look at this. Why I think here we go. YM's just gonna it could run all of this, right? Volume imbalance. Look at this right here. YM has this is a volume imbalance. These are double bodies into yeah, this is I like this. I like YM dropping. So we shall see. We shall see. Did we trade? See, we didn't even trade into that. All right. Yeah, it's at this point, it just needs to go. It just needs to go. If it doesn't go, then honestly, because we are inside of this gap, right? If we leave this gap, then I feel really good about this here, right? We had this, so this was a unicorn. Here's our uni. So once we get the, I mean, look, we got boom, boom, boom. Honestly, like we're gonna, if we go, look at this, we've got all of this to run, right? Like, look, all of this. That would be a sick, that would be sick, but obviously we're not. Okay, we're gonna keep it for real, like low hanging fruit right here. Low hanging fruit, right? Then the next one, then the next one. This is equal. Look at this. This is so like this is just tasty for price, right? Again, the price could just at this point just go to the upside. We're trading right onto that. Like we haven't broken this. So yep. This is another sort of yeah. There we go. That's our breaker. Right? Breaker fair value gap. Saw how this just like rejected like quickly and then we broke under. I like where I'm at with this entry. I need to see this break like just now. YM is holding. YM is holding here. So, like, just take something, bro. This one's also, this is something that I've watched too, which is a sort of a body of a breaker, right? Overlapped into just a bit of this fair value gap. Like we had this here. That one wasn't that good. Maybe this one, right? We had just overlap with that overlap with that overlap. So take this off for now. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Now what? Now what do we want to do? Here we have that was, yeah, here's here's a breaker. I'm just gonna mark, I just mark the body at this point. Okay, TBH, I kind of like this you know, pink. Sick. Unicorn. So if I'm looking at like here, if I'm looking at opposite body closures or body open close, it's right here. This. So I'm okay. Yeah, I like this. I would be 100% okay taking this, like taking a loss on this, right? If it doesn't work out. Ugh. All right. All right, YM. Just go, bro. Just take us lower, man. All right. YM is giving us a little drop here. YM is it? Ooh, is YM gonna take out these bad boys right here? Hmm. Oh, here we go. Here we go. YM. YM. YM hasn't taken that. Guys, listen. I think all right, so traded into this. Went higher. Let's get rid of this for a minute. Let's get rid of this for a minute. All right. Whatever. This is it. Like, I don't think this is a trade that, whatever. Where are we? Okay. YM just did not take that low, guys. YM did not take this low. Fudge. Okay. Great. if YM could tap back into this and then run this low, right? So tap back into this new week opening gap and then bam. ES. Oh shoot, I'm on NQ. What an idiot. What's up, Bubba? Guys, give me 1 second. All right, so here is what do we have? What do we have? ES. Yes, we have this. Here's what's interesting. ES just technically ES just broke this. This isn't a sort of a I mean, yeah, this broke structure. Here we go. So then ES, here's how we can look at ES. Here's how we can look at ES. Ready? We can see, okay, if we create some sort of structure here, right? We got boom, right? Boom, boom, boom. Now this is, see, this is where I'm like, what the fudge? Boom. Right? Higher high. Higher high. Low. Right? Higher high. Manipulation high. Break of structure. Right? Fair value gap right here. Then bam, baby, right down here. Make sense? Makes sense? That's what we're looking at. That's what we're playing. Ba-ba-bum. All right, bro, come on, just get me in here. All right, at this point, I am okay with taking this. Dang, this thing has not run like this thing is what an all right, here, let's see. Let's take a look at this. Boom. Wow, this did not take it, huh? Did not take it. What a freaking rat. So here, let's take a look at this for a minute. We've got a bunch of these. All right, hold on. I'll be back, you guys. All right. Sorry. I guess I was on mute this whole time. But anyways, all right. So that I think that's it for me for today. I don't see Lennon. It's fine, baby. Yeah, this thing is just like it's just going. Yeah, I think we're gonna hit this new week opening. At this point, I think I'm not doing anything with NQ right now. All right, yeah. Yeah, I mean at this point, like I don't see we sell one. Stop loss up here. Ooh, let's go. Oh, 400? Yeah, that's not bad. Honestly, I would be this is okay, this is awesome. I like this. Yeah, I like this. Oh my god. Okay. Go, guys. All right. All right, looking at it on a higher time frame for a second, okay? So, yeah, this is break of like this is here is the beginning of a market maker model to the downside to me, right? To me, like this is what I would like to see, right? So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my now we crossed our quadruple BPR at this point, right? Um, I would if this thing comes back up here, I would probably take an entry, right? Let's just go halfway of this. Yeah, right there. Like this is yeah, I think this is gonna be one of those. So I would probably do two entries, right? My second entry would probably be, oh man, I'd go first entry. Honestly, I don't see us coming above this, right? I'd be okay with that. That's it. That's it for today, you guys. It's 10:19. Took 3 losers, 2 winners. Can I tell you guys something? I think I'm going into this like just trying to. So before I think I told my brother this. I said, dude, like I'm just trying to catch. There's times where I'll catch myself just trying to make these little moves, right? These little moves, like I'll go one contract here, stop loss, and then stop down. One contract, stop loss, stop down. Trying to catch specific moves that eventually move into my favor, but I lost. Then I lose all that money through on the way, right? So when you saw me take these two $300 stop losses, I was okay with that, right? Because I knew like it was I gave my play time to do its thing, stop down. That's fine. We waited, right? So I think we took a loss here and a loss here. Then, took this to profit, right? Came back up, took it to profit. Then I said, I'm gonna get back in, right? Started doing this thing here, took that to profit, and that's it. This is where I would take. And YM is just dumping. I think at 12 we'll probably get sort of a reversal to here before moving lower. I will probably, so we have this, which would be this would be a breaker, fair value gap. All right, 1 second. All right, sorry. There was somebody at the door. I had to get it. So now what? Now what? Now that's it. I'm done. I don't think I'm doing much of anything right now. This thing is just going lower, lower. I don't know that. We could see a I don't know. Where is our opening at May 22nd? May 16th. Here we go. May 22nd. All right, that's it, guys. I'm done for today at 11 or five more minutes. I think I'm done. Like, there's not much here for me. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna like start trying to take some of these little. Let's take something like this, right? A little two contractor. Because if we break lower, then I'm out, right? I'm out. Like, I don't need if we break under, then we break under. We run all of this, and like I'm just I shouldn't be in this trade, but this is what I'm looking. This is a nice BPR. This is a nice BPR that we can trade back into before moving lower, right? Also, keep in mind, yes, so this could keep going. Like there's no it doesn't need to stop here, right? Like we have all this, we could run it for sure. We have a new week opening gap, we can run that for sure. This is why I'm like, okay, this is a good I don't need to, like, if we don't get, that's fine. But do I want to see this trade into this opening gap right here, right? Or sorry, this right there. This is, remember we said this is a 7 day running 7 day BPR, right? I think that's, no, that's not it. What is this? The frick is this? Guys, I have no clue what this was. I'm being super honest right now. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Okay. Is this a daily? This is not daily. See, this is why I mark some of these things and I'm like, I don't know what this was. Okay, this is a daily. Yeah. Or sorry, 7 hour. Fair value gap. So sort of a high time frame. FVG. We got stopped out. That's fine. This is where we could see just like a wick, right? And then this is it. I'm done. Dunzos. Just take me. Take my money, bro. All right, guys. 2 more minutes and I am out of here. I am out of here. So that's it for today. It's 11 is coming up. Oh wait, 10:40. Oh shoot. Okay, 10:50 macros coming up. Just keep that in mind. Okay, 10:50 macro coming up. ES is now taking this new week opening. No, 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 no. No, don't do that, baby. This girl is like all right, I think ES is gonna hit this NWGO NWOG NWOG boom boodoo bam boop bah. Yeah, there's no, this thing is just, it could wick bow 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 bow. 10:46. Guys, that oh, I did not mean to flick you guys off. I'm sorry. I was like, the autofocus is right there and I'm just doing my thing. You know what I'm saying? $10.46. Guys, watch. If we wick this, I'm in again. Like this is what I like. Bada boom boom pow. Like I don't, yeah, I'm okay with this. Done. I'm done. It's 2 little micros. Like there's nothing else that like. Dunzos. All right, everybody. That's, yeah. I'm out of here. It's about, yeah. I gotta go. I gotta go. But thanks for hopping in. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Have a good one.